শরীফ শেখ, আপনার প্রিমিয়াম প্যাকেজটা কত?
ভাইয়া আমার প্রিমিয়াম প্যাকেজ হলো $50 আর কি।
Okay, okay, no problem. Sir, you select any package on Fiverr. Okay, sir.
On Fiverr.
Yes, that's
আশিক ভাই, আমি চাইতেছি পেপালে নেওয়ার জন্য আর কি ভাই, ফাইবারে না।
okay, no problem. So you give your first project on PayPal. I will do completed your project totally without marketplace. Okay, so you give your
What is your name? What is the name in Fiverr to see you
okay
to
Fiverr.
order the premium package?
Okay, okay.
You yeah you you send me. I know Fiverr, but you send me in Fiverr offer. Then I see you. I don't know which is the name in Fiverr.
Okay, 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 no problem. So don't worry. We had another one, no problem. Fiverr also with the marketplace. Also, you selected payment method is PayPal. No problem, sir. So just should check. He sent their offer on Fiverr also without marketplace. If without marketplace, then he sent a PayPal information on your inbox. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, go on.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining our meeting. And how are you, sir?
I'm fine. I have only 5 minutes. I told you. No, so you can go fast.
Okay, okay. I already know. Shuzpek has said me. Okay, thank you so much. And we are digital marketing agency. And Shuzpek, he told me about your total project. So at first, I share my screen, just your logs or previous client work, and after your selection about your project. Okay. So this is our Facebook group, Freelancing Support by Freelancer. We are digital marketing agency. I hope you reach my screen and you are reached. Shazib Sheikh, he completed another bio meeting and she was live on USA. Okay, so you should check and we completed huge bio meeting. Okay, about total book promotion service and total social media service, also digital marketing service. Okay, so Shazib Sheikh, dear sir, are you hear me clearly?
Yes, I hear you.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you so much. And we know you are a very Bashiman. Shuzib Sheikh, he said me about your total project. One to you promote on your targeted audience. Your book,
Germany, Switzerland, and Austria.
okay, okay. And you live in France, right?
No, I live in Germany.
Germany. Okay, no problem. So you targeted area. Please again say.
Targeted. My book is only available in German language, so it has to be in German language,
Okay.
and it's only available in Germany,
Okay.
Austria, and Switzerland.
Okay. Austria and Germany and Switzerland. Okay, thank you so much. And we completed this project previously. We had huge experience about this project. So we firstly promote your book on especially Germany, Switzerland, and Austria. Right? We marketing your book on social media like Facebook, Insta, Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, Quora.
Yes,
Also.
okay, he write me. Yeah, okay.
Okay, okay, thank you so much. And just you depend us your first project. I hope you will expected a result, inshallah. Okay, so
No problem. Okay,
okay, sir.
let's try.
Okay, okay, thank you so much, sir. So Shazib Sheikh,
Okay, finish.
he said you Shazib Sheikh, আপনার প্রিমিয়াম প্যাকেজটা কত?
ভাইয়া আমার প্রিমিয়াম প্যাকেজ হলো $50 আর কি।
Okay, okay, no problem. Sir, you select any package on Fiverr. Okay, sir.
On Fiverr.
Yes, that's
আশিক ভাই, আমি চাইতেছি পেপালে নেওয়ার জন্য আর কি ভাই, ফাইবারে না।
okay, no problem. So you give your first project on PayPal. I will do completed your project totally without marketplace. Okay, so you give your
What is your name? What is the name in Fiverr to see you
okay
to
Fiverr.
order the premium package?
Okay, okay.
You send me. I know Fiverr, but you send me in Fiverr offer. Then I see you. I don't know which is the name in Fiverr.
Okay, no problem. So don't worry. We had another one, no problem. Fiverr also without marketplace. Also, you selected payment method is PayPal. No problem, sir. So just should check. He sent their offer on Fiverr also without marketplace. If without marketplace, then he send a PayPal information on your inbox. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So I hope
I have to go now. I have to go.
Okay. Thank you so much for your
Thank-
valuable time. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you,
bye
sir.
bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay.
ঠিক আছে